Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Hanoi, Vietnam. It is February 17th, 2025. Today's adventure, we're going to be going to the hop on, hop off bus. But we've got a short little walk, and so I'll show you a little bit of Vietnam until we get there. So right behind me is going to be the city center here in Hanoi, and a little bit further over is going to be our hop-on hop-off buses. It's a little dangerous for me to be walking across the street trying to film at the same time with so many cars and motorcycles, and there's just a lot going on, and so I'd recommend you not film and cross the street, but I'm going to head over there and get on the bus for the hop-on hop-off tour of the day. You can get your tickets online, or they have a ticket booth right here at the city center. There's three separate options. The first one is 300,000 or $12 for 4 hours hop on hop off. You have a 24-hour option for 450,000, or you have a 48-hour option for 600,000. I went with the 300,000 4-hour because I don't know if I'm going to get off and have dinner and maybe want to do another video later at night, tomorrow or the next day. So I'm doing a 4-hour for 400,000. Let's go. All right, we've secured our ticket and we will get on top of the bus. Ah. Hello. Oh. There we go. We've got a headset that has English. And if you know me, you know I love a good hop on, hop off bus.
The vibrant Hanoi mosaic wall was made by 20 local artists, 15 international artists from 10 countries, such as France, Italy, USA, and Spain, over 100 artisans from some traditional pottery villages, and 500 Vietnamese and international children. They all came together to create this beautiful mural.
All right, we have hopped off the hop-on, hop-off bus. I don't exactly know where I'm at. There's a lot of cool buildings and there's a ton of food vendors, so I think it might be time to get something to eat. So I had planned to take you to my favorite pho spot, but I was walking down the street and I saw this bowl of noodles, had to stop. It's delicious and spicy. Whew! That was a Taiwanese beef noodle soup, and it was delicious. It was spicy. It was hearty. The noodles were thick. The beef was a little rough. It was like a little strong, but then inside it was soft. So I don't know what they were doing to get the noodles or the beef to be hard on the outside and soft on the inside. That was pretty cool and delicious. So well, I couldn't really find the hop-on, hop-off bus, but that's okay because that's what it's for. The hop-on, hop-off bus, you can hop on and hop off anywhere. And so I'm done hopping on and hopping off. I found this little cafe. I'm gonna snag some coconut ice cream coffee, but check this out. They have a full pond of beautiful fish with flowers, and then just a beautiful intersection. Alrighty, we stopped here at Laika Cafe. I got myself a matcha something or another and a cheesecake. Sometimes you get stuck at these little dessert shops, and did you know that there's like 1,700,062 cafes in Vietnam? Every corner has like 10, and they're all delicious. Well, folks, here we are back at where we started. Hop on, hop off bus. That's gonna wrap it up for today's episode. Make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for more content.